Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Pardon me. Today we're going to pour onto this little hexagon canvas which I've put on my spinner. I just want to show you the dried results here. This is the one from yesterday, believe it or not, it's already dry. I hope you can see it. Very pretty lacing on it, very pretty colors. Turned out really cool. Because I only did this yesterday and it's only just dried, I'm not going to apply varnish to this yet, so I'll leave this like till next weekend to varnish. But you know what, if anybody is interested in buying this, you're more than welcome to send me an email or something and we can discuss. I do have my email address listed down below, and then I just want to take out these push pins. There we go. And then this is the chameleon pour we did. As I said, I'll do something down the bottom here, but I'm waiting for stuff to arrive, so I'm just going to put this painting to one side and I'll deal with that, I don't know, whenever. Okay, right, so I wanted to just try something very different here. I'm going to lift you up. I'm going to do a straight pour onto here and then spin it out. So let me get a cup here. And into the cup, I do want to put some, I don't know if this is it now. Is it? I don't know. I don't think it is. I don't think that's it either. No, this must be it. That's just normal white. You see I write on here, but I don't see where I've written on here now. But I do believe that this is my Satin Enamels, so I'm just going to shake this up. I haven't used it in a very long time. So give it a good old shake, and then I'll just put some of this in between a couple layers. I don't know if it's going to do anything. And anyway, give that a good shake. Right. And I also want to put some gold and some of that one, some of that one, some of that one, some of that one. Yep, some coppery type of a color, a dark green. Okay, let's just, all right, so this is what I believe is Descartes Satin Enamels. I'm just going to put a little bit down the bottom, and now we're just going to layer some colors into the cup. It is super hot. I don't know what the temperatures are going to be today, but it's very hot, so I do have the fan on. I've tried to open all the windows in the caravan. It's really stuffy in here, so I don't want to be in here too long. A little bit more of the Satin Enamels. What else? Pink. And some copper, and some of this one, some more gold, some more of that one. Alright, okay, calm down. The bottle's making a funny noise. Some more of that one, and I do believe we have more than enough paint on there, so I'm just going to close up these bottles and move them out the way. Right, so like I said, I want to do a straight pour and see what we land up with, if anything at all. So I'm going to bring you down like that. Okay, Right, let's go. Okay, well, that's interesting. I like that. Very cool. Okay, just sort of move it around a little bit. Okay, let's spin this out. Let me bring you up. And 1, 2, 3. You don't need to go hard because you can see straight away that went over. And then you can just bring the paint down to that way and give it another gentle spin. Oh, it's already over, look at that. Looks like there's something in the paint there. I'm not sure. I can just tilt that off, you know, like that. And bring it back. It was very interesting. I do think this was the Satin Enamels because it does have a clouding type of an effect, and it looks like there was some Satin Enamels there because I put in that extra layer. So yeah, it did sort of work. I like it. I think it's quite different. There, I'm not going to spin it anymore. Am I happy with it, yes or no? I do believe we can do better. Okay, I'm going to layer the cup again. Hold on a sec. Okay, you know, I do like it. It is different, but it's not what I'm in the mood for today. So I've just layered some colors in the cup again. Same cup, doesn't matter. And let's do like a spiral. Okay, and let's spin that. There was still satin enamels in the bottom of the cup, which I left. Okay. Well, it is more colorful than the last pour, so yeah, okay. I'm going to leave that because you can see it has a lot of the satin enamels. You can see there's a lot of layering between transparent and opaque colors. And it is bright and it is colorful, so I like it. I'm just wiping my hands off. And I will bring you in for a close-up. Hold on. Okay, so there it is. And you can see a lot of the satin enamels, and the satin enamels reacted better now than it did in the first pour. But there's a lot of nice colors in this one, which I like. You know me, I like colors. But you can see you can see the layering of the paints. You can see some are transparent, you can see some are opaque, and then in between it all you can see the satin enamels also doing its thing, like there. Can you see that? And there, prime example of different colors reacting differently together. So yeah, it's an interesting piece because there's a lot to see, there's a lot to look at with the blending of the colors. And then, yeah, this is all the satin enamels which have created a nice effect, I thought, you know. So, yeah, I like that. I actually like it. It's very different. And I do actually like this one. Tell me what you think. Everybody, thank you again for joining me as we created this really cool painting. I'm going to get out of this boiling hot caravan now. I hope you all have a great week. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Your support would really mean a lot to me. And remember, all paintings created in my channel are available to buy in my Etsy shop. Details to the Etsy shop down in the description below. That's it, everyone. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.